Hi, I'm Dr. R. Jospin, working as a professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today we are going to see about Introduction to HTML5. Under this topic, we will learn HTML and HTML editor, structure of HTML document, HTML tags and attributes. Now, introduction part. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext is a piece of text that contains links to other texts, whereas markup language is the way of writing, style, and layout information or text. HTML is an example of markup language. It uses the tag to mark the beginning and end of the information. The second topic, HTML editor, is a software application required to write HTML tags to create a web page. These web pages can be viewed using any web browsers. There are two types of HTML editors. One is WYSIWYG editor. Another one is text editor. WYSIWYG editor stands for what you see is what you get. This type of HTML editor allows to create a web page without the use of HTML tags. The second editor is text editor. To work with the text editor, we must know how to write the HTML tags that are used for creating a web page. Notepad and Wattpad are examples of text editor. Now the second topic, structure of HTML document. All HTML documents contain the standard HTML tags that are executed in the web browser. HTML tag document has two parts. One is head, another part is the body. The head section of HTML document begins with the head tag. This element identifies the beginning of your HTML document. HTML tag proceeding that head tag only lets the browser know that the file contains HTML code. Title tag determines what will be displayed in the browser's title bar and is not visible in the body of the web page. The text between the opening and closing tags in HTML code is case sensitive and it will be displayed exactly as typed. The browser ignores the case of the tag elements. It can be in upper, lower or mixed case. Here I have given example. Title may be in uppercase or lowercase or the case sensitive or all the same to the browser. The body section comes after the head element. The body tag is used to display the text, images, links and etc. Now I'll give an example, the basic HTML tags. When you are starting the HTML, you have to put the HTML tag first, then head, the third one title. So title here I have given grow with computers. After finishing this sentence, first you have to close the inner tag title. After that head, next body of the content. If you are starting, the body tag should be written. Without body of the content is the content for the website is written here. After this, close the body tag and close the HTML. This is the basic HTML tag program. Now we will see what are the HTML tags are available, how we have to use it. Start. Now we will see HTML tags. HTML markup tags are also called HTML tags. These HTML tags are keywords enclosed in a pair of angular brackets, that is less than and greater than. The tags are usually paired. For example, HTML, if you are writing, that less than and greater than symbol should be written, and /HTML to mark the start and end of the HTML instruction or HTML element. The first tag is known as the opening tag and the last tag is known as the closing tag. The end tag or closing tag is preceded with a forward slash with the angular brackets. There are two types of tags. One is container tag, another one is the empty tags. The container tags are body and slash body is the end of the tag and B bold and slash B. Empty tags have only an opening or start tag and no closing tag to an HTML element. LI, IMG, HR are the tag example of empty tags. Next topic, HTML tag attributes. Attributes of the tag provide additional information about the HTML elements. They are always written by giving the space after the tag name. Example, IMG and space align equal to left. Now that image will be aligned in a left side. Here the left side tags is called attribute name. Right side value is called as a attribute value. In this example, align equal to left is an attribute of the HTML element. Now how to creating a web page we will see. Open the notepad and follow these steps. Step 1, click the start button. Step 2, click the Windows accessories. Step 3, select the notepad. Notepad will immediately appears on your screen. Then fourth step is type the HTML code as given in below. So HTML and head, title, grow with computers, close the title with the slash symbol and close the head. And if whatever body of the content you want to display, that you write it before of that body of the content you have to mention the tags, body tags. End of that body of the content, again you have to use the end body tags and close the HTML tag now. Now step 5, to save the notepad file, click file menu, select save as button. Step 6, choose the location where you want to save the file. Step 7, type the file name in the file name text box. Save the file with any name and .html or .htm extension. Step 8, click on the save button. Now see this example, save as dialog box. Viewing HTML documents using the web browser. We can view an HTML document in any web browser. For example, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome or Netscape Navigator. Step 1, open the web browser and say Internet Explorer. Step 2, go to the location where you have saved your .htm or .html file. Step 3, select the file and right click on it from the menu that appears. Select open with, then select the Internet Explorer. Now you can see the output, whatever content you have written in that notepad, that will be displayed on your web browser. That's all the subtopic of the introduction to HTML5 we have seen in this video. Next video we will see that JavaScript concept. Thank you so much.